Did you know that in the course of a year, you'll see your doctor close to 3 times for one of these typical conditions? And for your kids, almost 4 times. So what do you do about it? You normally have 3 options. The first thing you should do is call your primary care physician. But what if getting an appointment takes too long? Or even worse, what if traveling makes it impossible? You could head to an urgent care clinic, but do you want to spend $150 to wait in a room that might be full of sick people? And then there's the emergency room, but that would cost $750. And the waiting room might be full of really sick people. Wouldn't it be great if treatment could be simple? That's what Teladoc is for. This is how easy it is to use. First, sign up and fill out some health info. When one of these strikes and your doctor is unavailable, go online or call Teladoc to request a consultation with a U.S. board-certified doctor. Get on a call or video chat with your doctor who is licensed in your state. Explain every detail of your issue. There's no rush. Take as long as you need. The doctor will listen carefully. And when enough details are given, we'll diagnose what you have. A prescription is sent to your local pharmacy if necessary. All of this was done in less than an hour. Average amount of practice experience of Teladoc doctors, 15 years. Average time it takes to get a call back from a Teladoc doctor for the quality care you need, 22 minutes. 91% of all medical issues resolved. 97% of customers satisfied. Who said getting quality care has to be complicated? Try it once. You'll love it.